A couple things about fighting bias. The first one that I always do is I write A/B prompts from time to time to see if it kind of shifts my output. So an example would be like switch CEO to female CEO, and I'll see like, if anything changes, within that. I ask AI to critique itself a lot. So I'll ask it things like, what assumptions are you making? Is there, an alternative view? I think a third piece is making AI kind of argue against itself, because a lot of the time it will have what I like to call like one-sided logic. And so a lot of the time I'll ask AI to kind of give an opposing view. In my prompt too, I always include like a value in it. I'll say something like, prioritize diverse perspectives. Comparing from different models will help you identify bias within those models. So like it all kind of comes down to treating your AI like a thought partner versus like the authority on everything. So like when I'm going through things that I'm putting out, I'm always questioning it. I'm always trying to see if there's anything in there that I can tell is askew, like are all audiences represented, things like that.